I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Hi everyone, we are BTP fourth year students from SCT Welcoming Campus. We are here now at Welcoming National High School conducting video
documentation about the K-12 program. I'm Evelyn Kayaga.
and I'm Rami Els.
Anything? What can I do for you? Why are you here?
We are here for an interview about
Okay, is that your requirement in your subject? What particular subject?
this mom. It's about teacher to
Teacher, profession.
teaching profession work and ethics.
Okay. So you will be having an interview. What particular topic you will focus?
The new curriculum
Okay, the new curriculum, the K-12 program. Did you prepare certain questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed?
Okay, question number 1. What is the K-12 program means?
Okay, so K-12 program, this is the content of Republic Act 10533 that becomes a law in the year 2013 signed by Pinoy. So, under Republic Act 10533, that is called Enhanced Basic Education, otherwise known as the K-12 program. So, K-12, it is called K-12 because the basic education is enhanced from 10 years, no, in school. Instead, it becomes 12 years. And then, a child who will enter in grade 1, there is a prerequisite they are required to enroll in kindergarten. That is why K stands for kindergarten plus 12 years in education. 6 years in elementary, 4 years in high school before, and that is called junior high school, plus an addition of 2 years, no? The senior high school, grade 11 and grade 12. No? So, 6 years covers the primary education, 4 years cover the junior high school, then additional 2 years that